When I first started VTubing, I wasted so much time downloading random softwares that either didn't work, was missing a few features that I really needed, or was just way more complicated than it honestly had to be. I spent so many hours watching tutorials, trying different programs, and honestly, I wish someone had just told me what actually mattered. So, if you're getting started, here's the best 3 free tools I think every VTuber should download first. They are simple, powerful, and they still make up most of my setup today. The first one is VTube Studio. If you're using a Live 2D model, this is probably the best tracking software you can get. It works with both a webcam and iPhone. Now, obviously iPhone has better face tracking, but if you don't have an iPhone, don't worry. A webcam can still work surprisingly well. You can set up different expressions, create hotkeys to switch between them, toggle outfits, and customize how your model moves in general. One thing I really like about it is how beginner friendly it is. You don't need to spend hours trying to figure out everything or how to import a model. Just do a quick setup and you're pretty much ready to go. If you're serious about becoming a live 2D VTuber, this is honestly the best tool you can use. The second tool is OBS Studio. Without OBS, there is pretty much no streaming. This is where everything comes together. OBS literally lets you stream, record videos, create scenes, add alerts, switch cameras, record gameplay, and basically control everything your audience sees. The thing that makes OBS so good is how customizable it is. It's crazy how customizable it is. I use OBS for every single one of my streams, even my videos like this one. Whether I'm recording a YouTube tutorial or actually going live on Twitch, OBS is always open. And the best part, it's completely free. Now that you've got your avatar moving and you've got your stream set up and everything, but people start joining your streams and you quickly realize that doing everything manually gets overwhelming quick, like very quick. That's where the third tool actually comes in. Streamer.bot. I'm not gonna lie, this was the first time I even heard or opened Streamer.bot. It looked extremely complicated, but once I actually understood the basics, it's honestly one of the most powerful tools on this list. Streamer.bot literally lets you automate everything on your scenes. Channel points, chat commands, scene switches, sound effects, everything. Basically, if you find yourself doing the same thing over and over and over during a stream, there's a pretty good chance Streamer.bot can automate it for you. That means you'll spend less time on clicking buttons and more time actually engaging with your viewers or chat. So, if you're a brand new VTuber, don't stress about the most expensive apps or setups. Start with these 3 free tools, learn how to actually use them properly, then slowly upgrade your setup as you grow. Honestly, knowing how to use these tools is way more valuable than actually any expensive software. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.